But China, another query for you. Our viewer wants your investment ideas in the mid-cap and small-cap space. If you could identify any defense and power picks.
In power, of course, you have Adani Power, which is in the news. I think there is talk that they may be, the front runners for the JP power assets. So that is a positive you can look at in the power space. Uh, Also, you could look at something like a Tata Power for the longer term. I think medium term, shorter term, you could see some bit of consolidation over there. In terms of defense, BL would be my top pick. There, of course, valuations are expensive, but at the same time, I think the order book position is so strong, and if they are able to improve the execution substantially, you could see with the next couple of years, 2 3 years, the stock can start again looking very attractive for in terms of valuation. So that is another stock I would add to my portfolio, which I already have actually, these stocks which I'm talking about. And also, I would look at some, if you're looking at a smaller stock in terms of market cap, you could look at something like a Scient DLM, which I believe I also have just personally recently invested in it. There, I believe it's got a recent relisting. It's got defense in it, and it's got technology in terms of IT solutions. So I would look at some of these stocks for the medium to longer term. And of course, HAL is in defense. You cannot ignore that stock.
Taken China, a couple of names that you mentioned there to be kept on the radar. But let's move on to the IT pack. Then this is Padma Siva Rao, who's writing in from Bangalore, wants to know if Coforge is a good buy at current prices. Coming to you, Kunal, Coforge has been a favorite for a lot of analysts as far as the mid-cap IT space is concerned. What would be your view on Coforge at right levels to get in right now?
Yeah, it's a good zone where you can look to start entering the stock price. The only catch is that maybe I think the next couple of days you might have the larger cap names on the IT side which would come out with the results. So that could probably keep the stocks a little bit more volatile, just in case if there is any kind of a disappointment. But I think other than that, the charts for Coforge has been quite strong. The stock had gone through more like a 500-point correction, I think from 2000 to 1500 or slightly below those levels. And then now it's managed to make a comeback again from 1500 back towards the 2000 mark or 1950 levels where it's trading. So I think in that sense, the stock has been doing fairly well. I would suggest that it's a good zone where you can look to start building on. But as I said, that maybe if the results for the IT stocks, if they start to disappoint a little bit, you might see even this stock going through a bit of a correction.
Okay, so that's the view on Coforge. But Kunal, I'll stay with you. We have our viewer Vishwanathan Nair, who's written from Cochin. They want your view on Dreamforce.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.